life update. I feel like I haven't filmed one of these and I'm getting so many questions from people, what are you doing with your life? Like, where you're moving, where to? I'm confused. You ended your lease on your apartment, but don't you have a business to run that's based in North Dakota? Today I'm going to answer a bunch of questions that I've gotten from people and just give you a little bit of a life update. So buckle up. Actually, I'm going to try and make this pretty quick because I like to keep an air of mystery about me and I don't want to give up all my secrets. Okay, so December 31st, I moved out of my apartment. I currently live in Fargo, North Dakota. I moved here for college, have been here ever since. I just started a second business called Scribble Lady Co., which we have a storefront downtown Fargo. So that is locked and loaded, staying in North Dakota. And I also have an art studio, which I'm currently in right now. But I moved out of my apartment on December 31st at 11 a.m. and into one of my friend's basements temporarily, and I've been living in her basement for like a week, which is fine. It's great. She's an amazing host. I absolutely love it. And I will be housing some of my clothing there, but for the most part, everything else is not. And let's see, I am moving to Europe. Wow. Yeah, I know. Where are you moving? You might be asking. Well, here's the thing. I don't know. I have the first place that I'm moving. It's decided. It's locked and loaded. I'm going there. But I'm only there until February, and then in February I'm moving somewhere else, and then in March I am planning to move somewhere else, and then in April I will be back in North Dakota to host my I Fucking Love Myself event, which is going to be on April 27th. So if you are local or local adjacent, aka Minneapolis, Minnesota, or anything like that, save the date because you are not gonna want to miss this event, trust me. So yeah, I'll be back in April, and then I will be getting ready to go on the road for summer show season. Last year I sold my art mostly in Midwest cities like Minneapolis and stuff. This year I want to branch a little bit further out. I was thinking of doing a show in Des Moines that's pretty popular, but also I want to do some shows in Denver, some shows in California, maybe Portland, Seattle, and Boise, like a couple places all on the West Coast. So I will be coming out with a show schedule hopefully within the next like month or so. So if you are interested in meeting me at a show, coming and checking out my art, whatever, definitely pay attention to that. And if I'm in a city near you, come stop by. I also am planning to host some glass pen workshops along the way, so if you want to take a class from me while I'm in your city, that's gonna happen and that's gonna be really cool. So long story short, ended my lease on my apartment. I started a new series on TikTok called Day X Without an Address, and right now we're on day 13? No, 9? Day 9. I think it's day 9. I'm moving on the 12th, so why would it be the 13th? And I will be posting updates on where I move, where I'm traveling, who I'm visiting, and everything through that series. I'll be also posting it on Instagram and I think probably on YouTube Shorts here too. But I think I will also be posting like a life update like every 2 weeks, maybe, or once a month. I'm not quite sure, but I'm gonna be posting a lot more like one-on-one content on YouTube. I really want to start talking more about like what it's like to be a full-time artist, what it's like to own a business, what it's like to be able to travel when you work for yourself, and just like things like that, which I think is gonna be really, really fun to dive into with you. And I'm still gonna be posting drawing tutorials and stuff on like Wednesdays and things. I'll also be posting card ideas and all of that kind of stuff on TikTok, Instagram, and on YouTube. So that's not going anywhere, but you're gonna get a little bit more personal content from me because yeah, I'm very excited. Maybe I'll meet some friends in Europe and bring them onto the channel too. I don't know, but yeah, I think it's gonna be really fun. I'm super excited for this new chapter of my life. And I will be on the road for 2 months during show season and then officially moving to a different city in the United States, like legit moving, leaving Fargo. And that is to be determined and to be announced. So if that is intriguing to you, you will have to stick around until probably August when I announce it, but I promise it's gonna be worth the wait. I don't know why, maybe it will. Anyways, I think that's all I have for my life update. Nothing super crazy. No, just kidding. Like my life's kind of a whirlwind right now, but it's fine. I just started a new company and I'm leaving the country because that's what a sane person does. That is what I do. That is me. That is me. Okay. Well, I have this feeling that I was like not looking at the camera for half of that because this felt like an awkward interaction, but I'm not quite sure. Anyways, thank you so much for watching this video and learning a little bit about me. This is probably going to be one of the last videos that you see filmed in my studio, besides some drawing tutorials because I'm pre-filming quite a few of them, but that's wild. So I will see you in the next video. Thanks for tuning in.